Downloading YouTube videos can be useful, but doing it the wrong way can break the rules. Let's walk through safe and legal options on your computer. First, remember this. YouTube's terms of service say you should not download videos unless YouTube clearly offers a download option. That usually means you should use YouTube's own features, or tools that are officially allowed in your region and for your type of account. Also, copyright still applies, even if you download a video. Most content is protected by the creator's rights. You can usually download and save for personal offline viewing, but you should not re-upload, sell, or share someone else's content as your own. If you want to reuse a video, look for Creative Commons or check the description for the creator's permission or license details. Step 1. Open the video you want to watch later and make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account on desktop. If you pay for YouTube Premium and it's available in your region, you'll see a download button below the video player. Click Download, pick a quality if asked, and wait while YouTube saves the video for offline viewing in your account. Later, you can find your saved videos by going to the Library tab, then choosing Downloads in the YouTube menu. Avoid random third-party download sites or apps that ignore YouTube's rules or install suspicious software on your computer. Use YouTube's official download tools, respect copyright, and you'll stay safe, legal, and ready to watch your favorite videos offline anytime.